Welcome to PCWizKid's Tech Talk. Are you looking to possibly upgrade to Windows 11? I mean, you've got a laptop or a desktop. You're wondering, hey, do I meet the requirements for that? Well, Microsoft has this free little utility, the PC Health Check app. Just download that, run it, and it will tell you if you meet the requirements or not. Now, I've found this out very easily by going into my Windows update on Windows 10, and it said it right there and smack in the middle. My PC does not currently meet the requirements for Windows 11. Okay, well, I try to keep my Windows 10 up to date. I know I have a feature update that I need to do, and I'll do that in a moment. But what am I missing for Windows 11? Well, here on the right it says get the PC Health Check Update. Okay, fine. I'll get that little app and download it from Microsoft. By the way, I'll add the links below in the description. And I ran it, but I read the requirements here. It said TPM. What is that? Trusted Platform Module Technology. Well, that's providing hardware-based security-related functions. Okay, so that's at the hardware level. You need to have the security enabled, and if you don't, you're really not going to be able to bypass this, or will you? Now, I ran the PC Health Check here, and you can see there the Check Now button. So I clicked on that. It ran it, and hey, even though this is a brand new Intel PC that I'm running this on, it said, well, you need to enable TPM 2.0. Okay, so how do I do that? Well, Microsoft here gives you a little bit some guidance. If you have an Intel or an AMD machine, go into your BIOS, your UEFI BIOS. When you turn on your computer and you press delete to get into the BIOS. You can go through the settings and see if you can find something that says trusted computing or security device or TPM, and then enable that. So, for example, all screens are going to be slightly different. On this computer specifically, my BIOS showed me this option to enable it in here. You're going to have to navigate and try to find it as well in your BIOS settings, and hopefully you have something there that's pretty obvious that you could just turn it on and then save and exit. That's what I did in my case. Then I went back into this health check, reran it, and hey, now it says that I meet the requirements. Great. So when I go into the Windows update, now it says that it's ready to go. But when is that going to go? I mean, obviously, the system is ready, but until Microsoft rolls this out to us, so depending on everybody's computer, whether it meets the requirements, the rollout dates are going to vary. And from now until early next year, we're going to be getting Windows 11 updates coming to different people, right, at different times. But make sure that you meet the system requirements, right? Check this. Check to make sure that your compatible CPU, the processor, is on that list. If it's not, then you're not going to be able to do it. If your motherboard does not have anything on TPM, you're not going to be able to do it. If you don't have the ability to enable secure boot, you won't be able to do it. Some people say that there are ways to bypass all of this and not necessarily have to turn on TPM. I'll make a separate video about that, okay? But right now, this is what you should do. Download the little health check, run it, see if you can meet the requirements or not. I'd like to thank you for watching, and comment below in the description.